Rainforest by Michael Willett, Riley Gignac, Devin Alberto, Brandon Souza, and Jamil G. Rainforest. We read a book called The Rainforest by Peter Murray. This is the book right here. You read? Here are 4 facts about the rainforest we learned from the book. You would need to cut through twisted vines and dense brush to move deeper into the forest. The Amazon rainforest receives 100 inches of rain each year. There are different types of animals in the rainforest, such as fish, alligators, sloths, and monkeys. People are cutting down the rainforest to grow food, but the problem is that they can only use that section of land for a short amount of time, because then the soil is bad. Oh, and the soil is bad because the trees suck up all the nutrients, and then there's no more good soil for the trees to grow. What does the rainforest look like? From the river's edge, the rainforest looks like a solid mass of plants. Once you get away from the riverbank and into the forest, walking becomes harder. The inside of the rainforest is damp and shady. High above your head are thick layers of leaves that screen the bright sunlight. The temperature in the rainforest rarely gets higher than 93 Fahrenheit, or 34 Celsius, or drops below 68 Fahrenheit. And right here, this is a picture of the rainforest. There's tall trees, and down below there's all plants and animals, and up at the top there's snakes and all frogs and spiders. Where? Location. The rainforests are found all around the world, including North America. For example, Puerto Rico has a rainforest. Right here, this little island has a rainforest. And down South America, we have the Amazon rainforest. It's the biggest one. The Amazon rainforest, located in South America, is home to the greatest variety of plants and animals on Earth. And this right here is the river. All this green over here is the Amazon rainforest. Over here, I think, is where they get the boats and go up to the land and go into the rainforest to search for other animals. Next presentation is by Bradley.
My name is Bradley Gannett. I am talking to about some animals live in the rainforest.
Anaconda. The anaconda is brown and black. It can grow to be 30 feet long. It eats deer, birds, and turtles. An interesting fact is that it swallows its food whole.
Some summon critters, I think.
The anaconda sounds like this. Spider monkey. The spider monkey is red and black. Its size is 2 feet long. It eats fruit. An interesting fact about the spider monkey. It doesn't have thumbs. The spider monkey sounds like this. Monkey. Sloth. The sloth is grayish brown. It grows to be about 50 centimeters long. It eats insects and small reptiles. An interesting fact is that the sloth is the world's slowest animal. The sloth sounds like this. Toucan. The toucan is black with a very colorful beak. It is 2 feet long. The toucan eats fruit and insects. An interesting fact about the toucan is that it is the noisiest bird in the jungle. The toucan sounds like this.
Next presentation is by Devin Alberto.
Plants found in the rainforest. My name is Devin, but I will be talking about plants found in the rainforest. Vines, orchids, coconut trees, edible plants. Vines. They are thick, many lengths and shape. They go toward the sun. They make baskets with them. This is one of the baskets they make is out of vines. Orchid. Flowering plant, 20,000 kinds, different shapes and colors. Food for birds and insects. The orchid flowers, yellow and purple. Coconut trees grow to 50 to 80 feet. Make many leaves are yellow-green. One tree can make 50 coconuts. Coconuts are used for food, oil, and drinks. The coconut tree. This is a coconut. It goes on top of the tree. Edible plant, black pepper, cinnamon, coffee, cola, pineapple, vanilla, and chocolate. All of these stuff come from the rainforest. This is black pepper, cinnamon, coffee. These are cocoa beans. You can try one.
Like, really try them?
Yeah.
Not sweet, I'll give you a heads up.
Is it bitter?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. It's appropriate for me to take it out of my mouth if I don't like it, right?
You can have it.
You want me to try
Yeah.
one too?
So when I'm making coffee layered granola bars, I pick out the tastiest ingredients. Wow, it's really good. That's cocoa. Like rich dark chocolate, roasted peanuts, and golden wildflower honey. My job is to change eating right from have to want to.
Next presentation is by Brandon Souza.
Layers of the rainforest. The rainforest is divided into 4 sections. These are the 4 sections: emergent, canopy, understory, and forest floor. These are the 4 layers: emergent layer, canopy layer, understory, and forest floor. Emergent. The emergent layer is formed by giant trees that are much higher than the average canopy height. This houses many birds and insects. The average emergent tree is 200 feet tall. Many different kinds of animals live in this layer. This is the emergent tree, and it's over 200 feet tall. Emergent means like the top of a tree. Canopy. Canopy is the upper part of the trees. This leafy environment is full of life in a tropical rainforest and includes insects, birds, reptiles, mammals, and more. Here are animals found in the canopy layer: toucan, sloths, and exotic birds. This is the canopy layer, and it blocks the sunlight from the understory. Understory. A dark, cool environment under the leaves but over the ground. This layer does not get much sunlight. The canopy layer blocks the sunlight from the understory. Plants seldom grow higher than 12 feet high in this layer. Many types of animals live in this layer. So this is the understory. It's really the middle of the trees. And forest floor. Teeming with animal life, especially insects. Almost no sun reaches this layer. It is very warm and wet in this layer. Most of the largest animals live in this layer. This is the forest floor. What surprises me is that one of the largest animals live in that layer.
Next presentation is by Jamil Jeter.
Hi, my name is Jimmy. I'll be talking about deforestation. What and why? What is deforestation? Why are people cutting down the trees? What are the effects? Deforestation. Deforestation means to destroy nature to take over land. People are killing plants and animals. Cutting down the trees is hurting the environment and less oxygen. Right here, they cut down the trees, and if they keep cutting down the trees, there's not going to be much of the rainforest, and the rainforest won't be pretty as it used to be. If they keep cutting down the trees, and there'll be nothing left. The rainforest. Why? They are clearing the trees for cattle pastures. They are cutting down the trees to make homes. They are also using the trees for different materials, for an example, rubber, paper, and lumber. The rainforest. Outcome equals what happens. They are cutting down the trees for many reasons, using the wood for lumber and firewood. Also, they want to use it for building roads. The people want it for farmland. They also want it for agriculture. Sadly, these trees are not being replaced. What would the world be like without the rainforest? Thank you. Thank you for listening to our presentation. And now please join us for your free tour of the rainforest. Refreshments from the rainforest will be served in the classroom following the tour.
Stop. Please remain in your seats until the guests sit up. C. Plants and animals, layers of the trees, native villages, deforestation, a waterfall on the Amazon River. Do you know the Amazon River is over 4,000 miles long? Warning. Be careful of the plants and animals when you walk, especially the snakes and poisonous frogs, and angry villagers along with the burning of the trees. Please follow me. Rainforest. First you will see Brad and Devin talking about the animals and plants.
Hello, monkey. Do them. Come on. And Hannah. spider monkey, sauce,
Butterfly, spider, snake, monkey, and frogs, and coconuts on top of the trees.
I'll be telling you about the animals that live in all the layers. In the emergent layer, there's harpy hawks, butterflies, and lizards. And in the canopy layer, there's toucans, spiders, vines, and insects. And in the understory, there's monkeys, spiders, and frogs. And in the forest floor, there should be vines, sticks, lizards, and frogs, and poisonous spiders.
Now please follow me with Jimmy O doing deforestation. But be careful of the angry villagers. They still live in the rainforest.
Hi, I'm doing deforestation. They're using bulldozers, lots of bulldozers to take down the trees. And right here we have a guy cutting down the trees. And right here is where the trees are burning. And this is one of the trees that the guys cut down. Do you have any questions?
You are very strong. You can pick up a tree.
Thank you.
Okay, now please follow me. Be careful of the waterfall here. It's very wet.